It's time for another big music game, and we're about to play Forbidden Rhythm. Level 2. You're about to hear a rhythm that is forbidden, which means it's not allowed.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Enter the safety zone where you've been granted permission to play this rhythm only 3 times. Let's learn this rhythm so we know what not to play.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Excellent work. Repeat after me as we listen and play back a series of hand-clapping rhythms. But don't play the forbidden rhythm. Let's listen to that forbidden rhythm one last time before we begin.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Good luck.
1, 2, ready, listen. 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 1, 2, ready, listen.
You did it. You just knocked out another big music game. Congratulations.